2 cups of rice soaked overnight, tablespoon of yeast, sugar, and we have coconut milk, 500 ml of coconut milk. Mix the rice, the sugar, and the coconut milk. Put all the rice, coconut milk, and the sugar into the blender, and let's process this for at least 3 minutes in a high speed for 2 minutes. And put the yeast and process it again for a few seconds. It's okay, the yeast is already mixed, and we're going to wait for 2 hours before we cook it. Cook it after 2 hours.
Hindi siya punuin kasi dako pa man na siya.
Kalahati lang.
Lang.
Ito yung bibingka. Paano magawa ng bibingka? Sarap.
Tapos pwede siyang lagyan ng toppings like buko or cheese.
Sa taas.
Pero ang Cebu bibingka wala siyang toppings. Okay. Thank you.
Ilang minuto?
So, nakasit tayo sa ano yan, 30 minutes?
30 minutes, ilang degrees?
200 degrees.
200 degrees.
So, ang paglagay din sa oven, wag lagyan ng ganito. Ito siya kasi hindi siya maganda ang resulta.
Isa-isahin.
Ilan bang magawa?
Finished product, guys. Wow! Nakikita siya.
Hindi mo kayo mo sa, marang upat ka cups, no?
2, 4, 6.
Yung sa gitna, pihakin mo. Ganyan.
The video ba, guys?
Oh. Oh, sarap. Yan.
You like it?
Okay.
Wow.
Do you want your video, cha?
Anong masasabi mo?
Anong masasabi mo sa
Ang
bibingka?
sarap sa bibingka.
Oh,
Yung chef natin ito, siyang galuto.
saan? Ay.
Masarap talaga.
Oh, grabe.
Makalimutan mo yung
Ano
pangalan.
bibingkang ano yan, sibong? Sibong bibingka?
Oo.
Sarap pala sibong bibingka. May kape pa, oh?
Wow.
Sarap.
For 2 cups of rice, you can make at least 7 pieces of bibingka. I'm using non-stick pan, and I didn't put oil because this has already coconut milk. It's okay. That's the amount. Then I have to close the lid. Close the lid. Let's go back after a few minutes. Cooking in the pan, you don't need banana leaves, so it's convenient and also energy saver. You just cook it in a low heat, very low heat. Finished product. Do you like our recipe today? If you like, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.